Hello, how to use ChatGPT to make AI-generated YouTube videos and make money with affiliate marketing. So welcome to my channel, New Internet Wealth. If you're new, please subscribe and give a thumbs up on the video if you would, and take a look around after you finish watching this video. So today we're going to talk about how to use AI software to create YouTube videos and make money through affiliate marketing. So we're going to let me just real quick go over what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to talk about just how to choose a niche, and the niche for this video is we're going to choose the electronics niche. And we're going to find an affiliate product, and we're going to go ahead and use Amazon as our affiliate platform. We're going to get a script. We're going to use ChatGPT as the AI software to do that. And then we're going to turn that script using another AI software into a video that we can upload to YouTube, because YouTube is a tremendous free traffic source. So make sure you watch all the way through, because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. So now this works for any niche, so don't let that throw you. But for this video, we're going to use the electronics niche, and Amazon is a great place to make affiliate commissions for electronics. So let's jump over to Amazon, and then what you can do is you can go into bestsellers if you want, and you can find bestsellers. You can go into electronics, see what their bestsellers are, and then since Amazon, unfortunately, since they pay lower commission rates, you do want to find, ideally, something that's a little higher price. So maybe AirPods, okay? Apple AirPods, that'd be a great something to sell. Apple AirTag, 4-pack, certainly Fire Stick, the Echoes, those could be good. But ideally, $50 or $100 or more. Ring Video Doorbell. So again, you could really go through and kind of pick any of these. Now, I'm probably gonna make it a little more generic in creating the script. It may not be so specific like Apple AirPods. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's go. Well, so we're gonna get the script from OpenAI, and I'll leave a link for this in the description box down below. Introducing ChatGPT research release, click try. That'll open up a new window where you can create your free account. Okay, so it is free now. They probably are going to start charging once they refine this, but the free version works pretty well. Once you've got your free account set up, this is the home page, and it kind of gives you some ideas of what it can do. The best thing in my playing around with it is to go ahead and try to be as detailed and specific about what you want, okay? So, and you do that in this box right here. So I might say, write a 500 word article about, let's go ahead and try and be specific, Apple AirPods and their benefits. Okay, yeah, let's just see what happens. And as you'll see, it writes very quickly, okay? So Apple AirPods are a popular wireless earbud option that offer a number of benefits for users. One of their main benefits is their ease of use. They're designed to connect seamlessly with Apple devices and switch between them automatically. For example, if you're listening to music on your iPhone, receive a call, AirPods, So it's just starting to list out the benefits. And then going through these. Now, once this finishes writing, what we're going to do is a couple things. We're going to go ahead and run this through Copyscape, just so you can see this is unique content, okay, that is creating here. It's not, just going out and pulling content. It's actually making these, original content. Okay, so there we go. You can see, nice should be hopefully roughly 500-word article. Let's go ahead and copy this article. So we're going to copy that. I'm going to come over to Copyscape, paste that article in here. You can see I'm at $8 right now in my Copyscape account. Let's run a premium search. And there we go. Went down to $7.95. Now it does say one result found. So I pasted in 374 words. And let's see, compare a text. So it'll tell us what was similar. There's 15 words matching, or 5%, okay, from this website. So that is probably not really much of an issue, but it did say that there was a little bit. Now, it's going to be hard to find something completely unique, but I've used ChatGPT several times, and to be honest, this is the very first time that it found something. Now, again, there were 15 words, so take that for what it's worth. I'm not too worried about that, but you can have it regenerate a response if you want. And so let's just try that, right? Let's see what it does. So it's going to write a new article. This again is going to be about 500 words. And I said 500 words. I think that article, when we put it through Copyscape, came out at 374. Okay, and so it's obviously not going to be exact. You can ask it to add more. The other thing you can do with this is you can have it create outlines. You can have it come up with topic ideas. You can have it do reviews. It's really kind of endless, the things that ChatGPT can do for you. Okay, so here we go. So there's a new article. You can see it did that very quickly. So let's copy that now. We'll put it into Copyscape. Let's clear that. Let's put that in, and let's do a premium search. Went from 795 to 790. Again, one result found. Again, this might be because this is so specific, right? 18 words, okay, matching 5% text. So that, again, very similar. I'm not going to worry about that because that is actually pretty unique. If you only have 18 words out of 372 that match. Now, the other thing you can, if you want, is you could take this, and let's just go ahead and do this just for fun. Quillbot. Okay, so Quillbot. Let me log into Quillbot real quick. Quillbot is a rephraser, and so you can take that. So here's the article from ChatGPT. I put it in here and you can, again, fluency, formal, simple, creative. I'm just going to leave it standard. You can freeze certain words, right? So we probably want to freeze earbuds. Certainly want to freeze Apple, right? So that way we won't change these. And then we want to freeze AirPods. And then, okay, so we'll just freeze those. And now you can hit paraphrase. And so what it's going to do is it's going to rewrite this. And you can see it does it pretty quickly. It went from 370 words to 346, so a little less. Now let's copy this, go back to Copyscape, clear that, and now we're going to paste in what Quillbot rewrote, do another premium search, 790 to 785, no results, okay? And so that's the beautiful thing about Quill. I've never had anything from Quillbot when it rephrased it come up in Copyscape with anything. Quillbot just does a great job rewriting. Now you could use, I think, this right from. You can see all these previous things I've done on ChatGPT. None of them have come up. Or they all pass Copyscape with as completely unique. There's really only this Apple AirPods, and that might be because, again, it's such a specific product, okay? But anyway, I ran it through Copyscape, or ran it through Quillbot, and then I checked that in Copyscape, and that came out totally clean, no results found. Okay, so what we are going to use is, if we go back, okay, we got our script. I took a second step. Not only did I get the script from ChatGPT, but I took a second step, ran it through Quillbot to make sure it is completely unique. There's nothing else like it on the internet. You don't have to do that, but I did for this demonstration purpose. And then now we're going to take that script and turn it into a video using another AI software called Pictory. Pictory is really awesome. It does a great job making videos in lots of different ways. I'm not going to go through all of Pictory and what it can do because it's a lot. It can do a lot of stuff. So let's go in here. These are all the different things it can do. We're just going to focus on this script to video. I'm going to hit proceed. This is where we paste our script in that we got from Quillbot after we rewrote it. So let's go ahead and give this video a title, Apple AirPods. And then what I like to do is go through and clean this up a little bit. So I'm going to pause the video while I take a minute or two and do that. Okay, I just went in. I like to kind of make it just one sentence per line. So I just went through, and you can see the script. I just space everything out. It just makes the video start out looking a lot better. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit proceed, and then you can see there's lots and lots of different templates to choose from. You can hover over the template, and you can see the way the text comes in. Sometimes it just fades in, sometimes it types it in, sometimes it bounces in or rotates. So you can go through and kind of see which of these that you like. I tend to like one of these where it just kind of pops it in, or even where it has a kind of a fixed box along the bottom. This is where you can see most of, it just has like a, you can see most of the video, it just has like a shadow behind it. Okay, so here's again another word just kind of across the bottom. It doesn't actually come in, it just does it. So it really just depends on what you want. So that, rotates in, slides in, types in, etc. Maybe we'll go ahead and just choose this one for this one. We want a 16:9 because we want a horizontal YouTube. We're making YouTube videos, but you can also make vertical and square as well. So let's hit continue. And now what it's going to do is Pictory is going to go out and it integrates with story blocks. That's included with Pictory. And so it's going to find, based on the text in our script, it's going to try and find relevant video sources to use. Now Pictory, while it's doing that, it only takes a minute or two. They do have a free trial, so I'll leave a link for that in the description box down below. Go check that out. And play around with it, see what you like. Use the credit card, go on here, read the tutorials, etc. But it does a ton of stuff. I'm only really showing one way you can use it. So here you can see it's done already. Okay, now real quick, it's saying this is about a 3-minute video. And then over on the left side is the main menu for Pictory. So this is where your story or script are, where your different scenes. That's where we are now, and you can see scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. You can also see the scenes across the bottom here below the main video as well. You can drag and drop these in order, any order. You can always edit the text, etc. Visuals, this is where you can change the background images, right? So let's go, and we're on scene 1. And if you want to change the text at all, you can highlight the text and you can change it up above. I'm going to leave this alone for now, but you can change, well, let me see. I'll change the font just so you can see how it works. I like to use like Roboto font, so we'll change that. Maybe Roboto bold, just so it's a little more obvious. You can change the size. Maybe we'll make it a little bigger so it's easier to read. And then, do you want it bold? So this is all italic right now. You can change all capitals, all small, etc. Centered, background color. Now this has a text shadow, so you can change the shadow text, the width. Again, if you want to make it full width, it'll take it all the way to the edge, or not. I think this is probably better not, etc. Now you want to click apply to all so that it'll save it to all the scenes, because otherwise it's only going to change it for this scene. So apply it to all, and now all the scenes will have that. So let's go back and look. Do you want to change? So you can change the scenes either by going through the story, or a lot of times I just click on the bottom, or you can click to the next scene. So due to their slick design and simplicity of usage, they have grown immensely in popularity since their initial introduction in 2016. Okay. Maybe you want older people? I'm not sure. Maybe you want, so you just maybe come over here. And so I chose that. So now you see you have a younger person in there. So that's how you can change the background video. The ease of Apple AirPods is one of their key advantages. And so maybe you want something, so you say easy. You type that in and let's see what comes up. Easy. You can go through and see different examples that it pulls up for easy, and you could choose any of these if you want. I might just choose this person, and so then that'll pull that in, and then basically that's what you do. Just go through scene by scene. When you pull them out of their charging case, that's perfect, right? There it is. There's an Apple iPod charging case. They instantly come on and connect with your device, making them incredible, easy to use. That's perfect. with the ability to play, pause, and skip tunes by simply touching on the earbuds. They are very simple to operate. Again, you might want to change that. But that's the gist of how you would edit the video, right? Just go through scene by scene. Now, the other thing you can do, you can have background music if you want. So you can go through and you can search based on mood, purpose, genre. You can preview it. You can listen to it, and if you like it, then apply it. So you can add background music. You can use one of the AI voiceovers. Let's go ahead and maybe try. Again, you can preview them. Let's just try Sally. I'm going to apply Sally. So that's going to be applied to the video now. Or you can make your own voiceover. You can use something like Audible, which is a free recording device. You can record it onto your cell phone, upload it here. You can use other AI generators, Wellside Labs, Murph, etc. Upload the audio, the voiceover here. And then, I'm sorry, you can upload your own background music as well, but your voiceover under your uploads, okay? But we're going to go ahead and use the AI voiceover for now. And then these are other things you can change. You can change the text styling, you can change the style if you want a different style. Branding, you can add your logo, you can have some intro text, and then you can output it in 720p, or I'm going to do 1080. Here you can change, again, we're doing YouTube, so horizontal, but you could change it to vertical or square. And this is the great thing about Pictory. So maybe you make the video now, you go ahead and generate it, and you export it. You generate it and export it as a horizontal, and then you come back in and you change it to vertical. Okay? There you go. And then you generate it and export it as vertical. And so you can use that, or square. And you come back in and you do it as square. So that's how you can make the video one time, but export it in 3 different formats if you choose to. And then basically when you're done, you can preview it. So it's going to pull up a preview. It does that pretty quick. We'll just let that pull up and check it real quick. And then you can go back in and edit and change it however you'd like. And then once you're done, you just generate. It's going to create an MP4 file that you then download and upload that to YouTube. Or if you did it as more of a vertical, you can upload that to Facebook, to Instagram, or a Square. You can upload that, Square video if you prefer that instead. Okay, so here we are. It's going to start playing that. So you probably can't hear the audio, but the automatic voice is going right now. And so you can see, you can just scroll through, and these are the different scenes. Okay, and then so you can watch it all the way through. Okay, so obviously you probably want to change that. We didn't change every single scene, but you probably want to change those. And then once you're done, you just hit generate, and you click video, and it's going to generate that MP4 video file for you. And so there you go. That is how you can use ChatGPT AI to create a very simple script for a YouTube video. Now, it'll pass Copyscape for the most part. I did run this one through Quillbot, and that finally made it completely unique. And then you just upload that into Pictory and let Pictory generate that video for you, do a few little edits to make sure it's exactly the way you want it, and then you have a really high quality review video that you can upload to your YouTube channel and link to Amazon, so you can make a really nice commission when someone decides to buy the Apple AirPods from your review video. All right, so I hope that helped. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching.